Studying. We all perceive studying as the hardest thing. No one wants to study, right? But what if studying can be made faster, quicker, easier to learn, easier to memorize? Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. In this particular video, I am going to share with you some practical studying methods, memorizing takes, trips to make notes and to revise it. So first thing is I want you to know that studying is not hard. We all want to study faster. We all want to memorize and learn quicker. In traditional days, we have heard about the great examples like Vivekananda, who used to read one book per day or even more, and not just read it but also memorize it, but also understand it, every word, every page number, things in every page number. So how was it possible? We all are humans, right? They were also humans, right? So why is it possible for them but not for us? Because we don't know the actual method, actual technique of studying. We are like just studying, turning pages. Turning pages doesn't mean studying. We need to be present with our mind, body, and soul to understand, to study something. That's very important. Okay, so first thing is we should not underestimate ourselves, that we should believe in ourselves, that we can study and we can understand, we can memorize. Okay, let's move to first method of studying faster. So what you're gonna do is hold a book and any chapter you want to read and start reading, but do not return to the preceding words. Do not return to the words, to the letters that you already studied. I mean, you are only going to read it in the forward direction. You are not going to return, because what normally people do while studying is they are like, yes, financial ratios are they are like reading entire paragraph, but at the end they are not aware of what they just read. They are like, financial ratios are I should probably check Facebook, I should probably check my Instagram once. And how are you supposed to remember? How are you supposed to be focused? Try this for 10-15 days and you will see the results. I will tell you why this method is so effective. When I just learned about this before many years, and first day I tried it, I was like, yes, I'm studying and I'm not returning. I'm very aware about it. And my mind is like so focused, because I have created some pressure in my mind that I'm not going to return, because if I will return, I will lose the game. And if I will just go forward, I should be focused because I have to memorize it, because I can't return. And your brain is automatically focused that, yes, this girl is not returning back. I must be focused, okay? I must memorize everything. And when I was like solving the MCQs in the first day, I was like, wow, I remember things. This is magic. And I was like so surprised. First time I used this method, I was able to read 16 pages per hour. I was like 16 pages which were new pages. It was not revision. It was not like I read it already. No, it was the first time I was holding those pages, new, completely new chapters, and I was able to read 16 pages per hour, and I was really so happy. And I know that if you are going to try this method, you will thank me. This is so effective, and it will help you develop concentration and focus. Second thing is about revision and making notes to revise. Okay, we all have got huge syllabus and we can't always read the chapters again and again, like every word, every sentences. No, we can do it, right? We are always in a hurry. So I want to recommend you what I always do, that is creating short notes. Okay, you can hold one A4 size paper and you should include efforts, definitely a chapter name, and after that everything related to chapter, like chapter summary. For example, you can add definition. First thing is definition, second thing is keywords which can be used in every answer, third thing is important relationships between concepts, because those concepts and relationships between those concepts can help you to solve numerical problems or can be related to your comprehensive answer writing. And fourth thing is formulas. Okay, formulas, if you write all the formulas included in chapter in one piece, in one paper, you can solve problems, numerical problems, perform calculations very easily. You don't have to turn pages and you are not finding any formula. It's not going to happen. Okay, so do this thing and you will revise quickly. Okay, you can just hold 2-3 uh, pages for 2-3 chapters and your revision is like done. So it is very effective. We should study smarter, not harder. But obviously we should do hard work, that's true, but we should be a smart worker. That's how you are going to study like a pro. And another thing is summary reading. Okay, every book at the end of the chapter it contains summary, and when you read summary it is like you have studied entire chapter. But don't do this in examination. In examination, read comprehensively entire chapter, entire book. But while you do revisions and before starting a chapter, you can just review a summary that will help you get a concept about the chapter and help you study well. And you know what, we have to realize one thing, that before our examination we can study entire book, like entire book we study by waking up ourselves all night. But if there is time for examination, we are like, no, there's a lot of time. First mistake is thinking that we have time. And while you think that you are going to do 5 revisions, every revision should be a serious one. It is not like in first revision you are saying I will do second one, and in second you are saying I'll do in third one proper. If you think this way, you are not going to revise any time properly. So every revision should be serious one. Every revision should be like, yes, tomorrow is my examination. Like, you should consider that tomorrow is your examination and you have to revise it like tomorrow is your examination, or after some hours it's your examination. Always create some urgency, because while we are in urgent, our mind also works properly. But I don't mean to mess things up. And last one is acronyms. This is a very powerful device. Okay, what acronym actually mean? It means the abbreviation formed by combining the initial letters of different words. For example, if you want to memorize ideas, points in series like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, we can create an acronym, a simple one like POSDC. POSDC. It is a lot easier than entire memorization of those 5 points, right? POSDC. So this is a long term one also. This will help you to memorize things if you are a theory learner, if you are a student of literature. There are a lot of things to memorize, or even if you are a student of medical, it helps. Acronyms help. So try creating stories and try relating to something you already know. Assume things like create a story, and you will help yourself in memorization. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I'm really grateful, and if you have some questions, you can drop question in the comment section below. If you like my video, yes, obviously do like it and share it, and we will see very soon in next video. Thank you so much, and bye bye, take care.